we've had 3 teams of experts kind of redo the interior on a 1989 boat. And welcome back. Who we again have on the program is Bill McDaniel from Sunbrella. We also have Mike Erickson, the owner of Canvas Designers. Today we are going to be concentrating in on the bedspread or comforter, as well as the accent pillows. And Bill, your designer, okay, the lead designer on this project, Emily Weiss, she came up with some fabulous colors to kind of bring the whole inside together. And let's start off with the comforter. What material from Sunbrella did she pick for this bedspread?
Yeah, Emily did an excellent job of pulling the entire color palette together. But for the comforter, we chose a fabric that came from our standard collection because it's a much more drapable product. It's softer and it's a better application for a comforter.
Okay, fantastic. Mike, you build this stuff. You're the fabricator. I know you do a lot of cool things with bedspreads. How does a bedspread get made?
John, it's pretty interesting process, really. We've got a machine, a sewing machine that's driven by a computer. And a spread or bedspread or comforter, known by a few different names, has some options. You start out with a cotton lining on the underside.
Right.
You add similar Dacron to what we used as the acoustics in the headliner, only in a little bit different process, and then the top fabric. And with that, the machine's going to come along and quilt this, which is basically sew these layers together. We'll finish the edge either with an accent or just as a finished edge. And where your options really start to come into play is all of the various types of quilting. Because it's computer driven, anything you want to draw can then be quilted into the bedspread.
Is this the cotton side of,
Yes.
of the bedspread?
Yes.
Okay. And then this is the top side.
Yes.
Okay, so it's always the cotton on the under, that's the comfort of a comforter. Okay, and then you have the beautiful Sunbrella up on top of it. And your computerized sewing machine can do various patterns.
Tropical fish, dolphins, you know, we've got
Whatever
some
you
on-
could imagine.
Palm trees, anything. you
Palm
want.
trees.
Okay,
yeah.
cool. Okay, so we've got a comforter made for the bed. Let's talk about accent pillows. And this is how Emily Weiss kind of really is making the interior pop. And I know that there are different styles of pillows. What do you call this one? I actually really like this. What do you call this style right here of pillow, Mike?
John, in this situation, because of what the edge trim is, this is an 18-inch by 18-inch, and then it's called a knife edge.
Okay, show everybody a box pillow. I know it's on your side.
Yeah, John, this is an example of another style of pillow. Again, an 18-inch by 18-inch pillow, but what we have is we've created a boxing in another accent. So you can start to combine fabrics and really create some nice, unique design elements with those soft goods or pillows, as we call it.
Now you can make pillows in cylindrical form, you can make them queen size, you can make them king size. They can have all kinds of decorative borders on it. For example, this one right here, this is really popular today in marine. This is a fringe, okay? And Bill, what do you call this kind of like rope material going around this pillow?
Yeah, that's a welting. It's just a way to add another accent or some interest to the pillow without having the same color all throughout. You can add color.
Show everybody kind of the spec board there with,
Sure,
with
yeah,
what's
this-
called welting.
Right. This is a product that company that takes our Sunbrella yarn and actually creates the welting in a variety of colors, so you have the same bleach resistance and cleanability that you have with the rest of the pillow.
Choices are endless. Okay,
Absolutely.
fantastic. Okay, let's bring everybody up to speed. This is the interior of the boat before we started anything. And now here it is with the accent pillows installed.